In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage participant interactions during a Google Meet session. Ensuring effective communication and maintaining control over your virtual meetings can greatly enhance productivity and reduce disruptions, and it all starts with setting the right configurations. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Google Meet. Once the page is fully loaded, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You should notice a small padlock icon. This icon is your gateway to host controls, a crucial feature for managing your meetings effectively. Click on that padlock icon to open up the host controls menu. Within this menu, you will find various options that give you the power to customize the meeting settings to your liking. For today, our focus will be on the host management feature. It is important to toggle on this feature to unlock additional controls that are essential for managing participant interactions. This mode helps ensure that you, as the host, can exercise greater oversight over the meeting, reducing the potential for unwanted interruptions or irrelevant chatter. Once host management is toggled on, scroll down the menu and you'll find the chat moderation section. This area is particularly useful when you need to regulate the flow of conversation and ensure that discussions remain relevant and on topic. Within the chat moderation settings, you will locate the setting labeled "Let contributors send messages." By default, this is typically enabled, allowing all participants to freely share messages in the chat. For our purposes today, we'll be toggling this option off. Turning this setting off means that participants will no longer be able to send messages during the meeting unless you return to these settings and re-enable it. This can be particularly useful in situations where the chat might become a distraction, or if you want to ensure the primary focus remains on the speaker and the content being presented. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain order and control within a larger, potentially chaotic meeting environment. And there you have it. With this final step completed, you've successfully configured chat settings for your Google Meet session. Remember, these adjustments are reversible at any time, so you can tailor your meeting experience to meet your evolving needs. Feel free to explore other features within the host controls menu that might further benefit the goals of your meeting. I appreciate you sticking around to learn how to tailor and manage your Google Meet sessions. Hopefully, these tools provide a seamless experience for both you and your meeting attendees, ensuring that every virtual gathering is as productive and organized as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful for your future meetings.